I don't care how hard you hammer this blade. Will not break, will not flex. Give you all the power you need to get all this ridiculous backwash. That's the difference. So strong. That's why we use 12K, not 3K. Yeah, that's why. People ask me that. See, I didn't expect these conditions, but it's good to know I can depend on this for anything. Aloha. So it's so windy, I couldn't change my big torque pedal to use the the Dragon Boat blade. So I'm gonna try it now and see if it's possible to catch the big backwash ocean swells with the Dragon blade. Let's see.